Got this just in case it starts to snow really bad tonight. I can throw my blanket over the top and use it like a tarp. Well, I think my beans are about done and I've worked up quite an appetite, so I think it's time to make some dinner. Now I know this is a survival video, but I have a very important rule I live by. I don't mind being cold, I don't mind sleeping on the ground, and I don't mind being hungry. But I only do one of those things at a time. So tonight, I'm eating like a king. Time to cut up some firewood. My blanket got a little wet from the snowstorm, so I'm just drying it out. Also kind of makes a nice little windbreak in my back.